Introducing our team, our CEO, Yitza Bailey, our CTO, Richard Bailey, our technical support, David Graves, all co-founders and proud team members of B&B Technology Solutions. Technology Solutions is excited to introduce Residential Energy Management System, or REMS. REMS technology offers a versatile and fair approach to managing energy consumption throughout entire homes. Its scalability means that it can adapt to various home types, ensuring efficient electrification. Moreover, REMS allows gradual expansion, letting users transition at their own pace and spreading costs over time. This inclusive model empowers lower-income families to join in reducing their dependency on fossil fuels. Let's explore the technology behind REMS. That is an energy management device meant for residential appliance share as well as other applications. The basic function is to monitor the main appliance, in this case the original appliance, and if it's at low power, it powers an EV charger or some other high-power device. When the oven is turned on and the elements are on, the simple switch simply turns off the EV charger until the oven goes back to low power and the EV is turned back on. Multiple subsystems. The first is an auxiliary power system that is battery-based through an inverter to supply power to additional home appliances. The next system is a master control card, which manages charging based on energy use of the house and also manages the heat pump and HVAC system by interrupting the signals from the thermostat. The simple switch is applied to manage power and appliance share from the various appliances you can see on the screen. B&B Technology Services successfully tested the REMS at NREL using day-in-the-life simulations. The chart on the upper right-hand side is a day in the life of a hot summer day, highlighting EV charging and using the electric stove at the same time. The purple line is the REMS power, and it can easily be seen that we start charging, the electric stove comes on, and you can see the power being reduced. Also of note is that the washer and dryer are not reflected in the whole power usage. The chart at the lower left reflects the battery usage and the total inverter usage, all being below 90% of capacity. We successfully completed the demonstration goals and success criteria and look forward to moving on to the next phase.